রোজা রেখে মিথ্যা কথা বলো না, রোজা রেখে বেশি কথা বলো না, আমি রোজা রেখে ক্লান্ত। আসসালামু আলাইকুম ওয়া রাহমাতুল্লাহ। Hello everybody, I hope you are fit and fine by the grace of Almighty. They are students of Madrasatul Qalam. Today I'm gonna ask them some important questions. Since the month of Ramadan is going on, that's why they will be asked about Ramadan. Okay, let's get started. First, stand up. রোজা রেখে মিথ্যা কথা বলো না।
Don't tell lies while fasting.
Say everyone, mashallah. Okay, have a seat please. Another person, stand up. রোজা রেখে বেশি কথা বলো না।
Don't talk too much while fasting.
Don't talk too much while fasting. Okay, everyone say mashallah. Okay, have a seat please. Next, stand up. Your name?
Javus.
Okay, Jaber. আমি রোজা রেখে ক্লান্ত।
I feel tired while fasting.
I feel tired while. Everyone say mashallah. Have a seat please.